Hi everyone, thanks for joining for vlog number 11. This is Marianne, mental health social worker and certified hypnotist, coming to you from my mental health counselling and hypnotherapy practice. Today's vlog, I'm going to be talking about prescribed medication and the use of medication in the treatment of mental health conditions. I'll go over the pros and cons of medication use for mental health conditions, and hopefully this will help you make an informed decision if you are faced with the idea of going on medication to treat your mental health symptoms. Just a bit of a disclaimer, I am a mental health social worker. I'm not medically trained in any way, so the information and the opinions that I provide today will be based on my own incidental experience in working with clients and my own research on medication. So, medication for the treatment of mental health conditions, yes or no? Well, my foot is firmly in both camps. I certainly do believe that there is a place for medication, but I'm also of the opinion that there are other things that we can try before we go straight to the use of medication. So, pros are good things about medication and the reason that people use medication. Medication can be very helpful for people who have severe and complex mental health issues, such as schizophrenia and severe depression or high suicidality. It's my opinion that clients from that client group would not be here today without the help of medication. Medication can also be helpful for people who are wanting to use it in the short term. If they've had some sort of upheaval or difficulty, they may feel that medication will help them in the short term to regulate their emotions and to get their life back on track. I would say medication also can really just help mobilise people to get themselves moving. It may be that before medication they may not have had the energy or the motivation or the desire to get themselves moving in terms of exercise or getting back to work or study or doing just what they need to do to help improve their mood. So medication can be really helpful just to get people moving as well. The cons of medication, the negatives. Medication can have side effects. So some medications can lead to increases in appetite, which can cause weight gain. Some medications can affect a person's libido. Some medications can cause emotional numbness. And in the long term, there are some mental health medications that have been linked to liver and kidney damage. So it's really important that people do their research. People look into the effects, the pros and cons of medication before they make their decision to go on medication. And sometimes it can take a few tries. It might be that you trial a few different medications. Some medications work for some people and not for others. And it's really important that you are in regular contact with your GP, that you are taking your medication as prescribed, and that you are having regular medication reviews. And look, medication is one answer, it's one strategy that can be used in the treatment of mental health conditions, but in my opinion, medication is something that should be used in conjunction with other strategies, things like lifestyle changes, exercise, relaxation techniques. There's a whole range of things that will help you with your mental health and your well-being, and medication is just one of them. So I hope that you guys have found that helpful today, and in my next vlog I'll talk about some natural supplements and natural products that can help us in the treatment of our mental health conditions.